class. We're here to learn about wetland metaphors. That's so it's going to class pretty much wetland metaphors. Alright, I have a learning target right here on the PowerPoint, and it's on the board. Alright, so by the end of this class period, you should be able to, I can compare and contrast pictures of unrelated things to the function of how a wetland may operate in the same way. Alright, the secondary learning target we're not going to be able to do because it involves us going out to the computer lab next year. But using the computer lab, I can complete the Wetlands web class worksheet and write a brief letter to my friend about what I've learned. All right. Okay, now the handouts that I just passed out to everyone, you're going to fill those out during the process of the class. Okay, so basically I'm going to go over it, and you should, by the end of this class, you should have all the answers and some more information. So fill those out during the lecture. And that's going to be pretty much what I'm going to be grading you off of. You have to get at least 5 out of 7 correct to pass with a second. All right? Okay, a wetland. All right, these are the pretty much 3 components of a wetland that you've all been drilled in today thoroughly. Must have water, must have vegetation, and soil. All right, so 3 components. Okay, now these are some pretty interesting facts that if I were anyone in class, I would definitely really want to pay attention to. All right. Wetlands help prevent floods by absorbing water and holding moisture. Okay. They look very beautiful. They provide shelter and help them raise their young. They help strain out debris and pollution, and mixes and helps cycle nutrients through the ecosystem. All right, it's a good resting place for migratory birds and wildlife. Okay. All right, these are just some additional facts about the wetlands. Wetlands make up 6% of the Earth's surface. Hundreds of species of animals make their home in wetlands, so there's lots of animals there, wildlife and stuff like that. Wetlands are also known as marshes, swamps, or bogs. So you may hear those other names, same thing. All right. They can be found in all regions of the United States. Okay. And 14% of the world's wetlands are located in Canada. I didn't know that, so I did this thing. Pretty cool. Wetlands are not necessarily wet all year round. Okay, so they're not always wet all year round. Wetlands can contain fresh, saltwater, or a combination of the two. Wetlands are known as one of the world's most productive ecosystems. All right. Am I going too fast? The thumbs up if everybody's got most of the answers, or almost pretty much all of them. Thumbs down if you're like, slow down, back up. Because you should have pretty much the answers right there. So thumbs up or down, what do we got? So I'll slow down. Okay, they help prevent floods by absorbing is your key word there, absorbing water and holding moisture. So we're thinking about a metaphor, right? So if you got a sponge, what's a sponge going to do? All right, so I'm pretty much kind of going these on. They look very beautiful. So something on your page looks very beautiful. So that could be your metaphor. So I'm trying to get you guys to, okay. Providing shelter to wildlife, help them raise their young. I'll probably think like nourishing or something like that. Picking it. Okay, thumbs up or down if I'm still going too fast. Thumbs up, I'm going good. Go on. Okay, I think everybody should be ready to go on. All right. Now, just to make sure everybody's learning correct and we're all on the same page, I have a web quest to supplement the learning. All right. Here's a web quest. I just pretty much printed it off right here. Alright, basically the task for this web quest, since some people have never visited these places, their task is to take a tour of a wetlands area and have a good look around, virtually, obviously. As you explore the variety of life there, choose one creature of interest to report on. Alright? So, basically, you go ahead first. You're going to visit the website, which is going to be the next slide. You're going to choose one insect, bird, or animal, because remember I told you there's tons of insects and frogs and birds and wildlife in the wetlands. So there's this whole slew of animals you can pick from, which you're going to see on the next slide. So basically, you're going to pick whichever one piques your curiosity. You're going to choose a particular animal. And then, this is an example of right here. Alright? So, we got a profile with capybara, dragonfly, all kind of stuff. Okay, all weird, whole bunch of stuff, right? So, all of these animals, of course, are known, to breed and to have their habitats in the wetlands. Obviously, that's why they're on this page. Okay. All right, I'm coming.
No, I just completed one.
Alright, I just took a random animal, beaver, picked a random animal, and this is pretty much what the slide pretty much gives you on the internet. And once you click on it, it gives you all the detailed information when you click on it. You can't read that. It tells you the predators, tells you what they eat, the habitat, vegetation, etc. And once you research your animal, this is what you're gonna fill out on the worksheet. Now you're gonna fill out that worksheet, and you're gonna write a letter to your classmate next to you. Just tell them what you learned. It's not graded. It's just designed to something to learn. This is a journal that I got from NSCA website that I was going to read to the students about wildlife and stuff like that. And does anybody have any questions? Is there something that they didn't understand about the wetlands, or I don't know?
I didn't fill out the 8-meter at the canopy one, the total one. But,
okay, I was going to review the answers at the last part.
Oh.
Alright, the egg beaters should be mixes and cycloslucents. And which one else did you say, Mike?
Pillow.
Pillow was a resting place for migratory birds or a home.
Can of soup.
Who feeds them?
Food or nutrients. Because, it's ecosystem. The bird finds the worm finds all the food. I guess I didn't make a couple of them clear. Any other questions? Did everybody get all of them? The strainer was supposed to be to strain out the debris, pollution. The cradle was supposed to be to raise the young, provide shelter.
Yeah.
Flower was a beautiful place to live in. I know nobody misses fun, I'll be on that fun. All right, that's all I got.
Thank you.